right, they're pouring the footers. Filling it in. There we go. Get out of the way. Yeah. This is promotion for you. So I'll put it. I'm going to throw it up on my YouTube page. Yeah, the hose operation makes it so much easier to control it. Yeah, and then you can really get it to flow around the rebar for the footers.
Yep.
Of course. There we go. We're just slowly filling it in. Of course, here's the concrete truck. The heavy truck. They drop it into the concrete pump, and then it pumps the concrete all the way over to the job site. And you would never want that truck to drive into your regular driveway because it's extremely heavy. It would just destroy your driveway. Okay, so all these guys, what they do is as they keep filling, if it starts to seep out, they just dig a chunk of dirt and patch it up. It's not, it's not rocket science, but you know what though? You still need to have experience doing this stuff. You cannot just think you're gonna pour concrete. It's not something that
real experience comes into when it's curing. You have to know when to get on it. You have the trowel machine in there.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna trowel it with the trowel machine.
Yes. Here I'm just gonna. Oh,